What is a no-claims discount? If you've been insured by your provider for an extended period of time and haven't made any claims during that period, you may be eligible for a no-claims discount. This discount is usually applied to your premium, partly as a reward for not making a claim and partly out of loyalty for you staying with your provider. Eligibility for the discount can vary depending on your insurance provider and their criteria. When reviewing policies and providers, it might be worth finding out about their no-claims discount and discovering the length of time that has to pass in order for you to be eligible. In some cases, insurance providers may carry over your no-claims discount from another provider. In some cases, a provider may not offer a no-claims discount and will instead offer a reduced premium based on other risk-related information. Ensure you review the product disclosure statement for policy inclusions, limitations, and exclusions. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.